I want to talk about the power of the dollhouse. Like, no kidding, the dollhouse. When I walk into a kindergarten classroom or preschool classroom or first grade, second grade classroom, and I see the giant dollhouse in the room, I get really excited because it's there. And I'm like, yes, we got the dollhouse. And then just sit down and watch the kids play and listen to them. How the parents talk to each other and how they take care of the little kiddos in the dollhouse, how they place the furniture, what they're having for dinner, are people talking at dinner, or are there people, talking on their phones? These kids talk it out and play with the dolls in the dollhouse as if they're kind of telling us what their skills are for interaction in that particular environment. And it really gives us a lot of information. I learned something one time watching some kids doing this. One little girl was had a little baby. She's putting a little cradle in the dollhouse, and one of the little boys comes over and he says, "Hey," he goes, "is that your baby?" And she goes, "Yeah, that's my little baby. I'm putting him in. This is the mama." And she goes, "Well, where's the mama's husband?" And she goes, "Well, the mama doesn't have a husband." He goes, "The mama has to have a husband, or else she can't, have a baby." And she says, "Well, my sister has a baby and she doesn't have a husband." And before you know it, other kids started talking about different family, scenarios. And I loved that because it opened up conversations about how people have different, mommies and daddies and mommies and sisters and brothers and interactions in their home. And so it can open up so many great things to get to know our kids and get to know where they are in social interactions. So you know what? Sometimes it's as simple as the dollhouse.